Hello, good morning everyone. It's Megan Jeff. Today is January 3 of 2026 and beautiful people, for today's video, we're gonna go to one of the biggest mall in the Philippines and a major landmark in Metro Manila, none other than the SM Mall of Asia. Let's go! And you know what, beautiful people? SM Mall of Asia, until now, it's still considered as the biggest mall in the Philippines because it covers the huge land area of 16 hectares with a gross floor area of approximately 589,891 square meters. And you know what, beautiful people? SM Mall of Asia, it is now considered as a top destination or landmark in the Philippines or in Metro Manila because of its massive complex known for its vast shopping, dining, and entertainment. Beautiful people, as far as I remember, I was here in MOA, I think it's 5 years ago already. But you know what, for the benefit of my nephews, I am again ready to enjoy and rediscover SM Mall of Asia. Let's go! Alright, there you go, beautiful people. After 1 hour and 45 minutes of travel from Naik to Pasay, we are now finally here at the SM Mall of Asia.
Number 13. 7. This is the giant first.
Zoom. Ako, ayoko dyan. Ako, ayoko dyan. Para mamamatay ako.
sabi, hintay mo ako dito.
Alam yan ka dyan, hindi ka pwede dyan.
Hindi kasi ako diba?
Ayun, doon. Oo. Picturean kita to? Picturean.
So beautiful people, I would like to let you see the new seaside here in Mall of Asia. So, ayan. Dati ito hanggang doon dagat lang siya, pero ngayon look at that. Ayan, look at that. Ano na? Gagawin na din siyang tawag dito city, bagong city daw yan. Hanggang dulo na yan, hanggang parang papunta ng Bataan yan. Hindi na siya dagat. Ano na lang siya, para na siyang isla. So sobrang nakaka-amaze. Anyhow, beautiful people, so after a decade, this is the second chance na napatambay ng SM Mall of Asia. Maraming pagbabago. Katulad niya, nagbago. Charot. Moy, akit na Moy.
Ano yan? Wait lang.
Ito na ang mahiwagan. Bye!
Chili cheese yan now. Ang chili cheese. Ayan, cheese. Ito chili cheese. Lima. Not yummy? Yummy yung price? Yummy? Say hi. Hindi ako ng mango. May mango dito. Anong nalayo? Pakin na to. Orong, sige, malaglag ka dyan, orong. Sige.
Ulo na si Pulpuan.
Sige.
Mulaglag ba? Mulaglag dyan?
Let's see.
Apo.
Let's see.
That's the sea.
The shark is there.
Apo.
There's a shark in the middle. I know.
Tubig ko. Tugtog na dito.
Uy, dito na. Uy!
Lagay mo dito sa gitna.
Dito ka.
Yes.
May
Balibot ako eh.
Dingin din.
Lalo.
Sige, kuha mo si Chi.
Ay, grabe na kayo na. Wala ako dito. Ano ba kilo mo? Magkano? Ibenta yan.
Nasasakay dyan.
Kami. Ako ayaw ko. Ayaw.
Tapos isang dali.
Dali. Uy, ang layo kasi.
Yan.
Babato ko sa'yo. Bilisan mo lang.
Dali. 1, 2, 3. Wait lang. Steady. Steady. Steady.
Kunyari close kayo, kunyari close kayo, Moy. Kunyari close. Saka na mag-away after the picture. Si Moy. Si Moy. Si Moy. 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 Kaya na si Moy. Chin. Happy? Alrighty, beautiful people, kasalukuyan po kaming nasa Mang Inasal dahil po ito ay nirequest po ni Chin Chin at Muy Muy kasi nung mga bata pa sila, paborito nila Jollibee. Ngayon, iba na, Mang Inasal na ang nire-request. Alright, bago po kami magpaalam, maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin. Dito po yan sa one of the largest mall in the Philippines, the SM Mall of Asia. Alrighty, beautiful people, see us again on my next video. Bye-bye!